नमस्कार। काठमांडू के त्रिपुरान अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे पर आपका स्वागत है। आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सामान कक्ष को खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें। आपसे निवेदन है कि विमान से निकलने से पहले अपनी सीट पॉकेट और overhead compartment visit. Please take care while opening the overhead compartments. Kindly check your seat pocket and overhead compartments for available items such as wallet, passport or electronic devices. Kindly ensure that you have all your
मैंने फोन कर देगा घर से तो जो बात
That's the baggage hold. So that's the currency changing places. So just after finishing the customs and all, it's a walkway here, money exchange. Everything was smooth. So those who are looking for visa on arrival, they can do online here. They have free Wi-Fi, and for me it was $30. So different places or different countries maybe different charges or different procedures. You read first. I think that's the mobile here. I need one SIM, but it will take time here now because taxi is waiting for me outside. So I'll buy the SIM from outside. So that's the outside area. ATMs are there. Very small area. That's for mobile and self. Coffee shop, waiting area, ATMs, car rental. Oh, someone will be waiting for me here. I'm just checking. So that's the airport, very small one. So those are the mobile rates. So that's the arrivals hall just over there. That's where people are coming out from that area. And this is the waiting area where a lot of taxis are waiting. and that's the parking lot. Prepaid taxi service right over there. You can also buy SIM card over there, and that's help desk. So that's the front part. Tribhuvan International Airport arrivals. That's the international terminal, Tribhuvan. Check-in counters are over here. A taxi from the Kathmandu center, the Tamil region, will just cost around 500 Nepalese rupee. So it's very near. Small airport, but very near to the center. Dusk. Here. So this is departure area. Check-in counters are this hall. That's after the immigration and the security checks. It's a small terminal. It doesn't matter as long as it's efficient. Baby care room, toilets. That's the free Wi-Fi facility. Charging facility, the plugins. That's a free water facility there. So it looks like there is one shop, just one shop inside the terminal. That's the terminal. It's a very small terminal.